Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Namaskar. While we are entering into next year of Swachh Sarvekshan, that is Swachh Sarvekshan 2022, the theme with which we are going ahead is People's First. We all know whatever achievements the city has registered in this competition so far are because of very active participation of people, and that participation is not just limited to their activities in their home or maintaining their surroundings clean, but they have been forthcoming in giving various ideas as well. And to carry that spirit forward, Navi Mumbai Corporation is coming up with Swachh Innovation Technology Challenge. We all know that good governance is a function of introduction of appropriate technology. Technology is something which will ensure accountability, performance, and that is the key for achieving so many, necessary good things with respect to governance, be it government or private sector. So, through this technology challenge, we are expecting citizens to participate in giving us various ideas. There are various spheres of Swachhata where we need technological changes. There could be, various fields which could be thought about for introduction of technology with respect to Swachhata. Let us look at what Swachh Innovation Technology Challenge is. We expect citizens to bring about some new unique technological changes which will add value to the existing activities undertaken in Swachhata. There are various sections of societies who can participate, be it general public, the citizens, the NGOs, academic institutions. There are various companies, IT companies which are there in Navi Mumbai. They could also participate in this challenge. Startups are there, they can participate in this challenge. When we think of Swachhata, it is not just limited to the daily activities of door-to-door collection, segregation, or for that matter, scientific processing which we do. Of course, these three are most important components with respect to Swachhata. I always say that if we have a perfect system of door-to-door collection, if we achieve 100% source segregation, then these two things can ensure perfect way of processing, and then this whole chain is completed. However, this is not an exhaustive list. We need not limit ourselves to these three aspects. The other things which are important, for example, septic tanks and sewer lines. Cleaning septic tanks and sewer lines, there are various things which could be done through introduction of technology. The other important aspect is community toilet and public toilet. Cleanliness in any city is defined by how clean their public toilets are. When you go anytime, if you find them clean, we can definitely say that city is giving importance to that particular aspect. So here there could be a solution which could be given through various technological means. Manhole to machine hole transformation, this is one of the aspects we can look at. Processing and cycling of plastic waste is very important. Giving alternatives to single-use plastic is also a very important aspect we need to look at through technological perspective. Most importantly, I mentioned about bringing about changes in governance through technology. This accountability aspect is very important, and I am very sure that through technology, better accountability, be it any government service, better accountability can be ensured. So these are various aspects you can think about through technological perspective. To be absolutely clear about which topics you can participate with respect to Swachhata, you can look at the list of various topics. Again, this is not an exhaustive list of topics. There could be anything which comes to your mind, as I mentioned, right from door-to-door collection to segregation to processing, and any aspect related to Swachhata, that is open to your imagination. As part of this challenge, we are giving out very attractive prizes. it is not just limited to prices. The entries which will be selected at city level will get an opportunity to participate at state level, and of course from state we can be represented at national level as well. So that certainly will be a thing of pride for all of us when an entry from Navi Mumbai is selected at, say, state or national level. So that is something which we all are looking out for. The last day for submission of entries for this challenge is 6th January 2022. I urge all citizens, NGOs, academic institutions, all companies who are there in Navi Mumbai to brainstorm, to understand how Swachhata works, to do gap assessment, identify problems which we are facing presently, and then come out with solution, technological solutions, how to bridge those gaps. Your participation is very important to us. Let us not look at it just as a challenge. Let us not look at it just as a competition. This is a means of participation of active, aware people in various dimensions of Swachhata. I am very sure that will add value to the activities we are undertaking presently. Thank you.
Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.